Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn one CSS property, flex direction. The flex direction property is a sub-property of the flexible box layout module. This property sets how flex items are placed in the flex container, defining the main axis and the direction. It can be normal or reversed. Okay, so this flex direction property accepts four possible values: row, row reverse, column reverse, and column. Okay, so let's see how this property works. Okay, first of all, let's go to our HTML. Let's create one ULLI ul with class flex container. For example, this is container, and li with class flex item. Okay, and item 1. So let's add few more items here: 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, item 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have added 4 li. Okay, so this is how it looks. All right, let's start with our CSS. So to make it in one line, in flex box we need to add display flex. Now it is in one line. Okay, with this display flex, so this is container, and we need to add some more CSS to flex item. First of all, we will add some padding, 10 pixel. Background color, let's give it tomato, and let's see how it looks. Okay, so this is fine. Let's give color, the text color, white, font size 2em, and let's add some padding. We already added border 5 pixel, solid red. Okay, so now we have 5 items, 1 2 3 4 5, and to make sure it will take the entire width, let's add width 20%, so it will cover this entire width. Okay, so now we have, let me add text align center as well. So now we have 5 equal items, item 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so now you can see we have this direction, the flex item direction, in row from left to right, because our document is left to right. So LTR you can say, and direction for our document is left to right. That's why the default property which we use here is flex direction. So flex direction default value is row, so it will not change anything. Okay, so when you apply row, it will take same as text direction, it will left to right. Okay, so let's change row reverse, then guess what, it will be from left to right, but in the reverse direction. So it is opposite to text direction. This is row reverse. Okay, with this let's give column, so it will put our content, our row, from top to bottom. So this is item 1, top to bottom, and similarly column reverse, then it is same as row reverse, top to bottom, item 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, so here 4 possible values are there, and it is very simple to use. Let's say we don't have flex property. uh, Previously, when this flex property was not introduced, we have to use float. So you have to float each and every element here. Let's say I'm giving row reverse. So before this flex property introduced, and you have to make this change, you have to apply float left, and then you have to manually apply lots of CSS to achieve this. But using this display flex property and other flex values properties, flex direction, you can easily make the changes. So here you need to note that row and row reverse are affected by the direction of the flex container. If its text direction is L to LTR, that is left to right, row represents the horizontal axis oriented from left to right, and row reverse from right to left if the direction is RTL, that is right to left. Okay, it's the opposite. So this is very useful but easy to use CSS property when you are using flexible box layout module. Okay, I hope I was able to explain in an easy way. That's all for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Okay, see you next time around.